Hey guys, so today we're going to look at a program to print the multiplication table of a number n. So how is your program going to look like? Whenever you have trouble writing a program, always visualize what your output is supposed to be and write according to that. So I'm going to probably ask my user for a value of n and the user is going to enter 5. So how will the multiplication table look like? 1 into 5 equals 5. 2 into 5 equals 10. 3 into 5 equals 15. This will go on till, let's say, I am stopping at 10. So 10 into 5 is equal to 50. Got it? So this value, which is repeating from 1 to 10, is a loop because it is starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It repeats the whole way till 10. So let's say I am going to keep this as I. Now, this part, what repeats constantly, is what is provided by the user as n. And what is this part? This is the product of I into n. 1 into 5 is 5. 2 into 5 is 10. 3 into 5 is 15. And all these three places are values. Meaning, when you want to print it, you have to print the values over there. Now, how will you write this in the form of a multiplication table? Once you get the value of n from the user, we know for any multiplication table, it actually depends on the user's perspective. If the user wants to write the multiplication table only till n, make your loop run from 1 to 10. If you want to write it from till 15, you start from 1 to 15. If you want to include 0, do start from 0 to whatever number of the multiplication table you want to display. So I want to display from 1 to 10. So what shall I do? I will write for I equals 1, starts from 1. I want to display till 10. So I'll write I less than or equal to 10 and I plus plus. Now I'm not doing any calculation here. I'm just displaying it in this format for all my I values from 1 to 10. So since it's just a display format, all you have to write is printf. Now the first one is a value, the next is a symbol of this form, then it's a value, then it's a symbol, then again it's a value. So first one is a value which is an integer. So I am writing %d. The next is a symbol. This cross can be represented as a capital X. So just type the capital X. The next one is also a value. So you write for the value the access specifier. After that comes a symbol. So write the symbol. And after that also comes a value. So write the value. Got it? Wherever you want values, replace it with the access specifier. Wherever you want the symbol to display itself, write the symbol in the printf statement. Now put the comma. What is the first value that you want to display? These are the value of i's. Till which number I want to display the multiplication table, that comes in this value of the first column. So I'll write this is I. The second one is the repetition, and that is what is provided by the user for n. So this will become n. Then next is actually a product of the first column and the second column values. Therefore, I will write it as I asterisk n, because here I am supposed to have a multiplication operation being performed to get that value. And now if you go in this format, what the only problem is, it will keep on displaying it as singular line because I have not added a next line character. You can easily do that before closing these double quotes. Just add a /n so that the new value for the next 1 to 5 is equal to 5. The new value will come in the next line. Now we'll see this in the code form. So we move on to the code part of the multiplication table for a number n. Like I said, for I equals 0, sorry, I'll start from 1, I less than equal to 10, I plus plus, I will be printing it in the format printf %d x percentage D equals percentage D. And I'll put a new line character over there. So the first one is going to be the I value, so I. The second one is going to be the N value, N. And the third one is going to be I cross N. So for this, I need int I, comma N. And I need to ask my user for the value of N. So enter N. And scanf take the value of N. Yeah, so I'm good to go. I'll execute. Enter N. Let's say I'm going to print for 5. Yes. So you can see here the table of 5 has been printed. So let's say I want to start from 0. I can actually start from 0 and print all the way up till 15. I can do that. So I'll run. Enter the value. Let's say I want to print 10. I have the value from 0 to 15. Now if you want for any number, it's not restricted to 15, you want any number, you can actually declare another value, a variable m, and you can probably ask the user enter the limit, like till what number you would like to print the multiplication table, and get the value for that also, ampersand m, and this will go up till m, I less than equal to m, and I into n. Yes, okay, so I'm going to run. So enter n. So let's say I want to print the multiplication table of 2. I want to enter the limit. Let's say I want to print the value of the 20, and yes, I have the value from 0 to 20 printed. Thank you.